The king is dead, but long live the crown. Joey! 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 Joey!
Agwambo, Tinga, Jacom, Enigma, Woodbine, Baba, the man in whose honor we gather here today belongs to that rare, irrepressible breed of human beings. My dear brother Raila Odinga, as we bid you farewell, we do so with the deepest gratitude as a nation and as a people.
He was a leader who never wavered in his belief in the good of his people. Raila Odinga lived a life of purpose. He chose to fly high, urged the nation to dare, and challenged Africa to fight for its place in the world and retrace the dreams of the continent's founders. Over the past 3 years, we have witnessed an outpouring of emotions of a nation gripped in grief. Africa has grieved for him. Indeed, the world has grieved for him. Courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. That the brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Raila conquered fear and mastered courage. Possibility of death in pursuit of an ideal was not a reason for Raila to retreat, for he also internalized William Shakespeare's words that cowards may die many times before their deaths. The valiant never taste of death but once.
Every once in a generation, there comes a leader whose impact transcends their moment, whose courage inspires change, and whose vision shapes destinies. My brother, Raila Amolo Odinga, was one such leader.
One thing that he kept on repeating to me is that we must urge Kenyans to live in peace.